Okay, so why are we starting with common notation? Because in the objective personality system, I don't know how often I've written out whole type formal notation. Let's check to see what that looks like in formal notation. These are some of the prototypical instantiations of how I view ontogenesis when it comes to psychological types in the objective personality system. It starts with Jung's conceptualization of a psychological function paired with an attitude orientation, meaning a function of consciousness paired with an attitude orientation, and then a split happens because up the chain we actually have a concretization where we're saying there was intuition, and now it's paired with an attitude orientation because intuition cannot exist on its own. It needs a modality. No, excuse me. It needs an attitude in order to express its energetic constraint, meaning how it orients itself psychically. Is it orientated towards the subject or towards an object? Attitude orientation. And then comes in objective personality, where we're talking about a splitter's conceptualization on psychological functions, meaning what objective personality did was they concretized Jung's psychological types from a splitter's perspective. They split the psychological function that Jung was referring to in his work and split it. They took a slumpers versus splitters. They took a splitter's conceptualization and they evened it out with a difference in modality. You have your masculine modality, you have your feminine modality. And this is the differentiation table that I came up with for NE. This is what I came up with for SE. This is what I came up with for NI and SI. This is what I came up with for TI and FI. Again, if you want to see this more up close, leave a comment. And this is for FE and TE. And this is early game differentiation on an ontogenesis level. When we're talking about how functions become psychological types, how functions transform into grant function stacks, how grant function stacks lay the groundwork for ordinance when we're building psychological functions into psychological types.